Good morning, students. I am going to explain chemical bond part 4. In this part 4, we'll learn that is covalent bond. What is meant by covalent bond? This covalent bond proposed by G. N. Lewis. What it was said, the bond formed between two atoms by mutual sharing of their valency electrons is called as covalent bond. Now, see here, I will explain one example: Cl2 molecule. The valence electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. It is having 7 valency electrons. If one electron by sharing, it become 3s2, 3p6 become octet stable configuration. Now in this one, first chlorine, it is having 7 valence electrons. Next chlorine also 7 electrons. By mutual sharing of electron from this chlorine electrons, they become 8 electrons. It shows octet become stable. But next atom also, it is also their mutual sharing. Now it is also showing 8 electrons, showing octet become stable. By this means that mutual sharing of between the two atoms, mutual sharing of electrons is called as covalent bond. It's mutual sharing of two electrons or one pair of electrons is called as monocovalent bond, and mutual sharing of two pair of electrons or 4 electrons to form dicovalent bond, and mutual sharing of 3 pair of electrons and 6 electrons, that is called as tricovalent bond. Now example of tricovalent bonds. Now example of monocovalent bond, that is H2 Cl2, next HCl and H2O and CH4, etc. Example of dicovalent bond. Now dicovalent bond, that is O2, CO2, SO2, etc. Now tricovalent bond example, that is N2, Cn and etc. These are the tricovalent bonds they form. Now overall total examples of covalent bonds. Now HF, HCl, H2O, CO2, SO2, BeCl2 and SO3, BCl3, NH3, CH4 and PCl5 and SF6, etc. These all are having covalent bond. Now these all are polar covalent bond. These all are having polar covalent bond. And both are pure and polar covalent bond examples. Pure and polar covalent bond examples, that is H2O, N2H4, H2S2, etc. Next one, pure covalent bond examples, that is H2, Cl2, O2, N2, P4, S8. These are the pure covalent bond is having. Now what are the factors are affecting on covalent bond? First factor is small size of atom. Second one, small size of cation and large size of anion. And ionization enthalpy. And fourth one is comparable electronegativities. These are the factors they affecting on covalent bond.